diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share another really fun canvas from Crafties. Now, I was enabled in this decision by Miranda over at Diamond Painting with the Besties. Shout out to Miranda and Brad. They're some of my very favorite YouTubers. I love their channel. Go check them out. But Miranda unboxed this canvas from Crafties. And so when the time came for me to select another affiliate canvas to show you here on the channel, this is the one I picked because I knew I was gonna love it. Now this canvas is called Time Travel at the Brooklyn Bridge by David Loblaw. David licenses his work to Crafties, just like all the artists at Crafties. This is a legally licensed image and the artist gets paid with every purchase, which you guys know I'm all about supporting the artists. So I want to show you this canvas. It has some fantastically bright colors in it. Let's get rid of the crinkle first. I am so excited by the bright colors in this canvas, and B, I'm so excited that it's kind of a snack size. It's a 40 by 50. If you guys have been around the channel a while, you know I do a lot of big canvases, and sometimes I just need a smaller one. I just need a little break, you know? I love the colors in this. Oh my gosh. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, poured glue, so you don't have to worry about the crinkles and the wrinkles in the plastic. That's not gonna be a problem. Just for the sake of getting this to lay nicely on camera, I'm gonna do a little roll here. We have a little splash of ink on the back from the printing process. That means that the printers were colorful that day. They were spreading the rainbow all over. Wouldn't that be lovely? All right, well, I'm gonna peel this back and I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna see if I can get it in a position where I can show you the image a little more clearly. Now, I've unboxed a few of these Crafties canvases now at this point. And you guys, the printing is so clear. On every single one that I've looked at and unboxed, the printing is like crystal clear. So that makes it really fun to look at. There, can you see that a little better? A little better without the crinkles and wrinkles. Love. This one has 30 colors. I'm gonna do the same thing down here, even though it's gonna be momentarily upside down. Sorry. So you guys, if you hear all kinds of racket in the background, it's because my neighbor is putting up a new fence, which is much appreciated because my neighbor needed a new fence. And so I'm happy for her. But it is rather noisy for the last couple days, but it is all good. All right, let me slide you up. So we have the bridge in these phenomenal colors. Now you guys, David Loblaw is a graphic designer and he does some Photoshop work, really cool and interesting stuff. Definitely check out his website. I'll link it in the description below. This fantastic rainbow of colors is what really drew my eye to this canvas. Check that out. And of course, I'll take you out for a long view as well. Now, before I get too far into the video, I can't forget to tell you, I am a Crafties affiliate. When you use the link in the description below, I do get a little commission, and that's always completely optional. If you do choose to use it, thank you, thank you. I'm saving up to pay off my student loans, and I always appreciate a little help with that. Let's look at the toolkit. I'm gonna flip this over so I get a little bit of a solid background there. Like I said, we've got a little printer ink stain, but it's not. Who cares? This is a tiny bit wrinkled. I might just lay it under my table cover for a day or two, and I suspect there will be no problems with it. We get 2 pens, a 3-placer and a 6-placer in this kit. We get 2 pink waxes. We get 2 squishies. Do they fit? They totally fit. I love it when my squishies fit. We get tweezers, just the basic tweezers, and then a small white boat. Very nice. Now I'm excited to see whether this is a round or a square. All the ones that I've unboxed so far have been round, so maybe Crafties only makes rounds. All right, let's take a look at the drills. Now, one really fun thing that Crafties often does, is Chardon's special drills without telling you. And I suspect that's happened here. It totally has. Okay. We have, this is gonna be crinkly. I'm sorry, I don't want to take them all apart, but pink, purple ABs, love, red, yellow ABs, dark blue, I want to say navy, more purple, more purple. Now these do not have DMCs on the bag. They do have DMCs on the actual legend as well as numbers. So you're gonna kit up by the numbers, but I do love that they have an AB correlation on their legend. So you can store these away after you're done. All kinds of shades of orange, burgundy, pink. Oh my gosh, I see more ABs. Fuchsia, rust, teal, pink ABs. I love pink ABs. Pink ABs are my favorite of the ABs, you guys. More shades of turquoise, purple, and kind of creamy white. 3 ABs in this kit. I'm so excited. Okay, I wanna see where the ABs go. Why are ABs so exciting? They really are. If you guys are new, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and those are drills with like a really glittery coating on them. They're so pretty. Okay, so 03 letter G is the purple AB, and I see the letter G sprinkled literally everywhere. Everywhere in this, everywhere that you see purple, there might be some AB purple in there. And then letter K is the yellow. So all of these bright yellow areas are gonna have some AB sprinkled in. And then the pink is letter U. Oh, that's in the sky up here. That's gonna be really nice. Kind of going across down here. In the sky up here, and then a little bit sprinkled down the side here. I love it. This is a really pretty canvas, and it's snack size. I would love to fit this one into my rotation this month before we start our event with Katie over at Diamonds and Washi. More info to come. Hopefully, maybe I can do that. That would be so nice. It'd be so fun to do something this colorful and different. I really like the way this canvas looks. It's a bit wrinkled, like I said. I'm not super worried about getting the wrinkles out if I put it under my table cover a bit. Absolutely everything else looks phenomenal. The printing is really clear. The drills are the nice gray striped drills. We've got plenty of colors, 30 colors for this size. We've got some surprise ABs in there. I'm really excited. This one's gonna be really fun. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you're interested in this canvas, of course, check out the affiliate link below. I'll have all the information that you need down there. Huge thanks to Crafties for sending this over for review. Head over there and check them out. And 100% licensed art, which is fantastic. All right, you guys have a marvelous week. I hope you had a great week last week. I hope you have a great week to come. I'll see you back here really soon. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.